Welcome back to the channel. In today's comprehensive tutorial, I am going to walk you through exactly how to make an oil paint effect in Adobe Photoshop. This is a fantastic technique if you want to give your digital photography a classic painterly feel without having to spend hours on manual brushwork. Whether you are looking to create a unique piece of digital art for your social media, a professional poster design, or just want to experiment with the creative tools inside of Photoshop, this guide has everything you need to know. Before we dive into the steps, if you find this video helpful and want to see more high-quality design tutorials, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Your support helps the channel grow and allows us to keep producing these free guides for creators like you. All right, let's get started and jump straight into the software. The first thing you need to do is open your browser or file explorer and find the photo you want to use. Once you have your image ready, go up to File and click Open to bring your photo into the Photoshop workspace. It is usually best to use a high-resolution image for this effect because the oil paint filter relies on fine details to create realistic brushstrokes. Once your image is successfully loaded, you will see it as your background layer in the Layers panel. Now, before we apply any filters, I highly recommend a very important step. Go to your Layers panel, right-click on the image layer, and select Convert to Smart Object. You might be wondering why we are doing this. Converting a layer to a smart object is a non-destructive way to edit. This means that if you apply the oil paint filter and later realize you want to tweak the settings, you can simply double-click the filter in the layer stack and change it without having to start over or ruin your original image. It gives you 100% flexibility, which is essential for professional workflows. Now that our layer is a smart object, it is time for the main event. Move your mouse up to the top menu bar and click on Filter. From the drop-down menu, find the category labeled Stylize and then select Oil Paint. This will open up a dedicated dialog box where all the magic happens. On the right side of this window, you will see several sliders that control the look of the paint. Let's break down exactly what each of these does so you can get the best result. The first slider is Stylization. I recommend setting this between 5 and 7. This control determines how much the software rounds off the details and gives it that flowing liquid paint look. If you go too low, it looks like a regular photo. If you go too high, you might lose too much detail. The second slider is Cleanliness. Again, a setting between 5 and 7 is usually the sweet spot. Cleanliness smoothens out the brushstrokes. A high value makes the painting look very polished and smooth, whereas a low value keeps some of the grainy texture of the original photo. Next up is the Scale slider. I suggest keeping this relatively low, somewhere between 1 and 2. This controls the size of the overall brush patterns. If the scale is too large, the effect can look a bit overwhelming and unrealistic for smaller canvas sizes. Below that, you will find Bristle detail. A range of 3 to 5 works perfectly here. This slider adds those tiny, fine lines within the paint strokes that mimic the hairs of an actual brush paint. It adds that much-needed texture that makes the viewer believe the image was actually painted on a canvas. Finally, we have the Lighting section, specifically the Shine setting. You should adjust the shine based on the highlights of your specific photo. Shine adds a 3D quality to the paint, making it look like the paint is thick and reflecting light. If you want a more matte look, turn this down. If you want a vibrant, glossy oil painting look, turn it up. While you're doing this, make sure the preview box is checked so you can see the changes in real time. Once you are happy with how the brushstrokes and textures are blending together, go ahead and click OK. Your photo will now instantly transform into a stunning oil painting. You can see how the colors blend naturally and the light hits those simulated brushstrokes. Because we used a smart object earlier, you can see the oil paint filter listed under your layer. If you think the effect is too strong, you can even double-click the blending options icon next to the filter name to lower the opacity of the effect itself. This allows for even more fine-tuning until the result is exactly what you envisioned. This technique is incredibly versatile and works on landscapes, portraits, and still-life photography. And that's it! You have successfully mastered the oil paint effect in Photoshop. If this video helps you elevate your digital art, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more deep-dive tutorials just like this one. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.